Okay, here's question 6 on the higher non-calculator paper. Let's read the question first. You can use this conversion graph to change between pounds and dollars. So this conversion graph could be used to change between pounds and dollars. The question says, use the conversion graph to change £5 into dollars. I'm going to change £5 into dollars. Now, I just need to read this off the graph, but I'm going to draw my lines in, right, to make sure I show the examiner what I'm doing. There's £5. I'm going to go up to the line and across. I'm going to make sure I show this all the way through. So, across. Okay, so £5 is equal to $8. I'm going to write that in my answer space. So $8, and that's part A of the question complete. Okay, in part B, well, let's read the question first. Ella has $200 and £800. Her hotel bill is $600. Ella pays the bill with the $200 and some pounds. Use the conversion graph to work out how much or how many pounds she has left. Okay, so that last bit is a bit of a twist, right? You want us to work out how much money she has left, or how much pounds she has left. Now, we know that she has $200 and £800. Her hotel bill is $600, so she's going to pay. So her hotel bill is $600. She's going to pay $200 off using the dollars that she has, all 200 of it. So that means she still owes the hotel $400. Now I need to work out what $400 is in pounds. I need to change that into pounds. Now I could go back to the conversion graph, but on the conversion graph it doesn't go up to $400, right? It goes up to $12, right? But one of the things I could do is I could use the information that I had from the previous part, part A, because in part A, what I worked out was that £5 is the same as $8. Okay, £5 is the same as $8. Now, what I'm looking for is a number that I could use to multiply up to $400. Now, thinking about this, $8, well, 5 lots of 8, so if I times by 5 lots of 8 is 40. $40 is going to be the same as 5 times 5, £25. $40, so 5 eighths 40, 5 times 5 is 25. So $40 is the same as £25, and that's going to help me with this, because if $40 is £25, that means that $400 is going to be £250. Right, so if I wanted to change this 400, Ella owes the hotel $400, so that means she could pay that off with £250. But remember, the question said how much money, or how many pounds has she got left? Okay, so she paid off the $200 with the $200 that she had. She still owes $400. She's going to pay that off with $250. So I need to do £800, which is how many pounds she has. Take away £250. So working that through, 800 take away 200 is 600. 600 take away 50 is £550. Okay, I'm going to write that in the answer space, and that's the amount of pounds that she's got left behind. Now this can be a particularly complicated question. Break it down, think about it, think about each step, especially what I did over here. right? Trying to use the information from part A, right, and work that up to help me do the conversion that I needed. This can be a pretty straightforward question. Like with most of them, if you know how to do it, you can get full marks in it. Make sure you do.